today I need to walk the dog, jump on the call with Steven, and watch that last episode of Walking Dead. Hello, dear amigos. I don't know how magical that transition seemed to you, but the scenario which I'm about to present you, the one which you can spectate right now on your screens, is indeed powerful. In fact, the length of the audio which can be transcribed and transformed into the actionable steps and certain plans which you will then implement definitely is possible to be quite long. In fact, it can be up to, well, as long as you are able to use this compressing tool, which I will show you and tell you about right now. You are able to essentially have the phone recording your whole day, saying something or even discussing some topics with some other people, and then transcribing it into the way which will be the most insightful and descriptive of what you have planned to do. Essentially, the only prerequisite which you need to be able to start with this scenario is having the phone. In case someone doesn't know, it is the rectangular weird thing like this one, even with a couple of eyes. And in addition to this, you've gotta install the app which records audio from your phone and immediately saves it on your Google Drive. There are a bunch of them online. In case I'm not that lazy ass, then I will even insert the icons of a couple of them somewhere over here or over here. You will figure it out. And what you're doing then is that here you will be able to connect your account. You will specify the folder in which the files with audio recordings go when you actually finish recording, for example at the end of your working day or wherever. And then the most interesting thing starts here, because essentially this module is simply for downloading the found file as soon as it has come into your folder. Well, not as soon as it has come, but every X minutes when the system has found that the new file has been added comparing to the previous execution. Very, very convenient system, in fact. And essentially these two lines are almost identical. The only difference is that in case the file is large, and I have found out, so you don't have to waste time, it was a bit painful but it was worth it, that OpenAI does not transcribe the audio files which are larger than, I guess that's 21 or something megabytes. And in case it is the case when the file is either equal, which is highly unlikely to be just exactly equal this size, or is larger, then we automatically trigger this branch, which at first compresses the file with CloudConvert module, and then the magic happens where the OpenAI's modules take care of everything, and some magical transformations occur in these built-in, insanely useful modules of make.com. And then you also have to specify the spreadsheet ID of the file where you want the final information be inserted. Here you also specify the headers of the data points which you want to be captured, and in fact you can also play with the prompts to instruct the model of OpenAI on what exact outputs you wanna see. So in the current case, in case you just immediately off the dome start running the scenario, it will provide you with 3 insights. The first one is the found thought, and then the format of when on the timeline of the audio recording it was captured, and by what next timestamp you have been talking about it. And after this you will also have the transcript, the full unfiltered, uncensored transcript of your audio recording being saved in some other file on your system. Not file, but rather directory. Just a fancy word for folder. And here we are. As I have told you that you only need that app for audio recording, well, almost. You also need CloudConvert account, OpenAI account, and Google Drive account. And I think it's really worth it in case you are truly committed to keeping track of the plans of yours, keeping yourself accountable, and in case you are a truly busy person, then unloading that unnecessary weight of remembering things from your mental space, and let's say finding certain gaps for yourself to save that precious mental capacity of yours. Anyways, you are able to find the link to this scenario, which you can obtain for free or optionally for certain amount of money, by following the link in the description below. Additionally, you will also be able to find a bunch of other useful blueprints over there as well. Press the like button in order to be in front of the new things in the AI automation space, and regardless of whether you liked the video or not, I ask you to leave the comment. So let's be honest, I will just get more reach, and yeah, that's all I wanted to dump on you at the end of this shortcast. Thanks a lot for watching, and stay automatedly awesome.